Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on 6 steps on how to start a profitable e-commerce business. E-commerce has exploded in recent years, and for a good reason. It's a convenient and easy way for customers to shop, and it can be a lucrative business for entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, we'll go over the steps you need to take to get your e-commerce business up and running. But let's begin by describing what an e-commerce business is in the first place. An e-commerce business is a business that sells products or services online through a website or other online platforms. E-commerce allows businesses to reach a wider customer base than they would be able to through a traditional brick and mortar storefront. And customers can shop and make purchases at any time of the day or night rather than being limited to the hours that the physical store is open. E-commerce businesses can sell physical products, digital products, or a combination of both. And they often use tools like shopping carts and online payment systems to facilitate the purchase process. There are many successful e-commerce stores, both small and large, that sell a wide variety of products. Some examples of these stores include Amazon. Amazon is one of the most well-known e-commerce stores. It sells a vast array of products, from books and electronics to clothing and household goods. There's another one, the Etsy. It's an e-commerce platform focusing on handmade or unique items, including crafts, jewelry, and home decor. There is also eBay. This online marketplace allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell new and used items, including collectibles, electronics, and clothing. We also have Wayfair. This is an e-commerce store that specializes in home furnishings and decor, including furniture, rugs, and lighting. Nike is also the popular sports apparel and footwear brand, has a successful e-commerce store that sells its products directly to consumers. You also have Sephora. This is a beauty reseller, has a successful e-commerce store that sells makeup, skincare, and other beauty products. Zara, sure you must have heard too. This is a fashion retailer. It has a successful e-commerce store that sells its latest clothing and accessories collections. There are many successful e-commerce stores also in Nigeria that sell a wide variety of products. Some of them include Jumia. It's one of the largest e-commerce platforms in Africa. Jumia sells everything from electronics and home appliances to fashion and beauty products. We also have Konga. It's another popular e-commerce platform in Nigeria. Konga sells a wide range of products, including electronics, home goods, and fashion. We have Payport. It's also an e-commerce store, but it specializes in fashion, including clothing, shoes, and accessories for men, women, and children. Udala is another one. This online marketing place allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell a wide variety of products, including electronics, home goods, and fashion items. Deal Day. This daily deals site offers discounts on a variety of products, including electronics, home goods, and fashion. Kara is another one. It's an e-commerce store that sells a range of home and office products, including furniture, appliances, and office supplies. Printivo is an online print shop that offers a range of printing services, including business cards, flyers, and brochures. Now, the steps. The first step in establishing a store is to define your niche and target market. The first step to starting any business is to determine who your customers are and what you are going to sell. Okay, you do some research and find a niche that is in demand and not too crowded. You also want to identify your target market. Who are the people most likely to buy your products? Once you have a clear understanding of your niche and target market, you will be better equipped to tailor your marketing and sales efforts. Step 2, choose an e-commerce platform. There are several e-commerce platforms to choose from, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. So it's important to do your research and choose the one that best fits your needs. Consider factors such as the costs of the platform, the features it offers, and its ease of use. Step 3, create a website. Your website is the foundation of your e-commerce business, so it's important to get it right. Choose a design that is professional and easy to navigate. Make sure to include high quality product photos, and a clear description of your products. You will also want to include a secure checkout process and a privacy policy. Step 4, source your products. Once you have your website set up, you will need to source your products. There are several options here, including manufacturing your own products, drop shipping, or wholesaling. Consider factors such as costs, lead time, and the level of control you have over the product. Step 5, market your business. Now that your business is set up and you have products to sell, it's time to get the word out. Use social media, email marketing, and other tactics to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website. Don't forget about traditional marketing techniques such as print ads and networking events. Step 6, analyze and optimize. As with any business, it's important to continually analyze and optimize your e-commerce store. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic and sales and make adjustments as needed. This might involve changing your marketing efforts, okay, improving your website, or finding new products to sell. In conclusion, starting an e-commerce business takes time and effort, but it can be a lucrative and rewarding endeavor. By following the steps I just outlined and continually analyzing and optimizing your business, you can create a profitable e-commerce store. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from today's tutorial. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Finally, don't wait until everything is perfect. Just start, and I wish you good luck with your e-commerce journey.